Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion tasks to Google Calendar. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Notion. Log into your Notion account if you aren't already. Select the workspace where your tasks are located. Open the page containing the tasks you want to connect to Google Calendar. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. Choose Add an integration to create a new connection. Search for Google Calendar in the integrations list. Follow the prompts to authorize Notion to access your Google Calendar. Once authorized, return to your Notion page. Now, create a new database or select an existing one for your tasks. Ensure your task items have a date property. If you haven't added a date property yet, click plus at the end of your columns to add one. Select date as the property type. Name the property appropriately, such as due date or event date. Click on the date field of any task to set a date. Adjust the date to your desired deadline or event time. Now, return to your Google Calendar. In Google Calendar, click the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left sidebar, find and click on Integrate Calendar. Here, locate the secret address in ICL format. Copy this ICL address. Now, return to Notion and go to your database. Click on the Filter option in the database settings. Add a filter to display tasks that have due dates. Use the due date property to set conditions for your calendar display. Finally, refresh your Google Calendar to see your Notion tasks integrated. Now, you should see your Notion tasks appear on your Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.